Experiencing Spotify issues on your Apple Watch Series 11? You're not alone. Many users face app crashes, login problems, and permission errors. First, ensure both your iPhone and Apple Watch are updated to the latest iOS and watchOS versions, specifically iOS 18.2 and watchOS 11.1 or later. Force quit the Spotify app on your watch by pressing and holding the side button, then power off and restart. Next, check your Spotify login on your iPhone. Mismatched Apple ID settings can cause issues. Finally, unpair and repair your Apple Watch via Bluetooth to reset authentication tokens. These steps resolve most common issues. Spotify requires specific permissions to function correctly on your Apple Watch Series 11. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and ensure Spotify has access to health data for activity tracking and Bluetooth for audio. Enable background app refresh in your watch settings to prevent crashes. Also, confirm app permissions are enabled in Settings, Privacy and Security on your watch to allow notifications and background refresh. Granting these permissions ensures seamless syncing and offline playback. If problems persist, consider reinstalling the Spotify app on your Apple Watch.